Welcome to how to send call recording on WhatsApp. So in this video we are going to show you how to send call recording on WhatsApp. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, make sure that you have some recordings, okay? Like you can basically go to the place, you can basically go to the app store and you can search here like call recorder, okay, and make sure that you have some recordings already in your phone. And now what you're gonna have to do, you will just simply go into the my files, okay, and then here let's assume that this is the call recording. So you will basically tap on it and then you can see that we have this share option here. So now you will just simply tap on share and then you can see that we have this WhatsApp option here, and from here you can select the contact with whom you want to share this call recording. So it's simple as that. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.